Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this workout video we will focus on our back fat as well as chest fat. But before starting our workout, I have some good news to share with you that I would be launching a 1 month program by which you can lose up to 7 to 10 kgs in just 1 month. I hope you will stay tuned. So let's get ready with our exercise. For this exercise, you need a pair of dumbbell or simple water filled bottles. So first I will start with warm up. I'll keep my dumbbells aside. For warm up, I will do backward curls like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 of these. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Now clap outward like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 of these. 6, 7, 8. Good. Now take them up. 1, 2, 3, 8 of these. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again we will do backward clap curls. 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Backward claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now take them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. So you are all warmed up. So for our first exercise, keep your legs shoulder wide apart. Bend down a bit. Legs would be straight. Hold your dumbbell like this and curl them up like this. Release. 1, 12 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. For our next exercise, I'll keep my dumbbells like this only. Now take them down, pushing my pelvic back and get it back. This is like deadlift. We will do 12 of these. Great for your back fat. 1, 2. Keep your back straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job. Now for our next exercise, I'll stay in this position only. Back straight, hands like this. Now lift the hand up alternatively like this. Good. Great for your back and chest. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job. For our next move, I'll keep my dumbbells like this and raise them up and back. So I will be squeezing my back like this. I hope you got it. We will do 12 of these. 1, 2, 3. This is the compound movement. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 11 and 12. Great job. Now for our next move, I'll keep my one dumbbell, have a support raise my hand like this and take it back like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back would be straight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Great job. Now on the other hand, again support back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. Now we will take the other dumbbell as well and we will do bended swingers. Feet shoulder wide apart, down, hands like this, alternatively swing them like this. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job. Now feet shoulder width apart, hands like this. Take them up and bring them down. And in the down meaning we will take it little back. We will squeeze our back. 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job. Now we will repeat the whole set one more time. Feet shoulder width apart. Bend down. Hands like this. Squeeze 1, 2, 3, 4. Increase the weight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job. Now we will do deadlift from here only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 2 more to go. 11 and 12. Great job. Now I will do swingers. Holding a dumbbell like this. Bend a bit. Now swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job. Followed by feet again shoulder wide apart, holding dumbbell like this. Raise them up and down. 1, back. 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Great job. Now I'll keep my one dumbbell. Take a support. Bend down from like this swing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job. On the other hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job. Now, back to 2 dumbbells. Holding dumbbells like this. Raise them up and squeeze the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job. Now we will do swingers. Bended swingers. Same position again. Bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job. So you are done with your back and chest workout. But before ending the workout, we will do some wall push-ups. It is very good for your chest as well as your back and hands. So let's do 20 of these. I'll keep my hands little wider and push down and push up. Pull up, sorry. 1, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 8 more to go, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Great job. Now we have come to our cool down phase. So I start with small circles forward and backward like this. 1, slowly, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now crossovers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'll stretch my back. So I'll get the support of wall. Now stretching, hold for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This exercise also improves your posture. So let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Now the namaste like this. Try to stay back as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. So I hope you have liked this video. I hope you like working out with me. Like I'm losing my weight, I hope you are also losing your weight and gaining your confidence. So stay tuned on my channel. Do follow me on Instagram as well as on Facebook. My Instagram ID is Fitness by Dipali and my Facebook ID is Health and Fitness Tips by Dipali. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you.